Grok AI video generation is not free anymore. So let me show you a free AI video generator you can use right now. First, go to BytePlus website. Once you're there, click on Sign Up. You can create an account using your email or Google. After logging in, click on Try Our Claw and it will take you to a new dashboard. Now go to the Media section. Here you'll find both image generation and video generation tools. Select Video Generation. You'll see different AI models. Choose the one you prefer. Then adjust your settings. I'm gonna choose 9:16 ratio resolution to 720p and duration to 5 seconds. You can also choose how many videos you want to generate. I'll select one. Now just enter your prompt. And here's the result. Let's watch it together. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools.